Let's make these shine brighter than the sun we don't have today.
Nice and easy. Loosen the earth so the carrots can breathe. Perfect, just like Papa Monkey taught me. Oh, hello, little worm. Look what I brought. A ride to haul your harvest.
Wow! Your tractor looks amazing!
Teamwork, my friend. That's what makes a farm grow.
And good breakfast, too. Let's fill the barn before the clouds move in.
Don't look down, monkey!
Wow, the water's so clear. I can see the fish. After all that hard work, we've earned this swim.
Here I come, Rabbit.
You got me.
Do you think we'll make carrot soup tonight?
Only if you wash the carrots.
Breakfast is ready, little ones. But we're not done playing.
Come on now, before the carrots get cold.
Everything smells so good. And tastes even better when shared. To a good harvest and even better friends. So many carrots, so much joy. Hold tight, everyone. No bumps on my watch.
You're quite the little driver, monkey. Steady now, these plates are all washed.
Next stop, dish duty at the river.
Let's make these shine brighter than the sun we don't have today.
Can you catch this, Mama Pig?
Now that's a real river bath.
It's raining, but it feels nice.
Nature's way of cleaning up after us.
Look, the sky's shiny again.
And the tractor's singing.
Home sweet home, dry and happy.
The whole farm got a bath, too. What a beautiful day, and now a warm evening. Fire, quick, get the water bucket. Keep back, we can put it out together.
Stand back, this should do it. It's over. Good teamwork again. It's warm again. And safe.
We handled it together, just like everything else.
No more lamps too close to cloths, eh?
Good night, cows. Sleep well. We'll guard the stars. The sun's already up. Time to start the day. Now I'm ready for a busy day on the farm. Time for a little ride around the farm. Look at me, Farmer Monkey on duty.
Hold tight, my friends. We're off to the shamba.
How far, little farmer?
We made it to the shamba.
They're eating so well. Tomorrow, I'll bring more fresh grass.
Thank you, little farmer.
Wow, they're so big!
Did you hear that?
Don't worry. These big animals are our forest neighbors.
Sometimes the quiet days are the best days.
Moo! I could stay here forever. It's so cool and clear. Come on, everyone, jump in. Today was a good day.
The best one.
And tomorrow will be even greener. Almost home now, my friends. You've earned your rest. Look at them. Even the birds are heading home.
Back home safe and sound.
Moo, now that's a good day.
Tomorrow, maybe bananas and milk for breakfast. Higher, Pumba. Let's touch the trees.
Not too high, little buddy. I like my feet close to the ground.
Mangoes. Fresh from the orchard, the best bananas ever. Good night, cows. Sleep well. We'll guard the stars for you.
Come on, everyone. There's plenty for all.
Sweet as sunshine, monkey.
You like apples or mangoes? Good morning, my friends. Time for breakfast. Easy, Daisy. I've got more for everyone. nice and clean. The cows will love this.
Hang on, everyone. Dinner's almost ready.
All right, everyone, dinner time. Good morning, my little ladies. Breakfast is ready. Don't worry, I'll be gentle, my friend. Fresh eggs for breakfast. Hard work pays off. Look at you, Piggy. That's a fine mud bath, isn't it? Nothing better than a cool mud bath, boss. Good morning, little swimmers. Breakfast time. Fresh corn for everyone.
Quack, quack, quack. We love corn.
Hey there, my galloping friends. You look ready for a race today. Don't forget to stretch those legs first. We missed you, monkey. Got any apples today? Woo-hoo! Faster, faster. Let's show them who's the king of the farm.
Nay.
Hold tight, monkey.
This farm feels like home. And you belong here with us.
Oh, wow! Apples, bananas, mangoes, every day.
Come on, everyone. There's plenty for all.
Sweet as sunshine, monkey.
You like apples or mangoes?
Thank you, everyone, for making this day the best ever.
Good night, monkey.
See you tomorrow, boss. Hold on tight, everyone.
I'm going higher this time.
Good morning, sunshine.
Brush, 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 clean and shiny. All fresh and ready for a new day.
Good morning, my friends. Morning, monkey.
Hey, shovel, how? Right. Let's go to the shamba. See you soon, friends.
All right, let's make it nice and clean. Ha ha! The cows will love. Perfect. Time to load it all up. Perfect. Time to load it all up. Ha! Just like that. Clean and back home we go. I'm back, my friends. Lunchtime soon. Now for the best part, feeding the cows. All right, everyone, one by one. Okay, my thirsty friends, here comes the water. Ah, that feels good. Everything's safe and sound. All right, Pumba, are you ready to lose again? Ha! Not this time, my friend. Today...
Hold on tight, everyone.
I'm going higher this time.
Remember when Pumba tried to climb the mango tree?
Hey, that branch was too weak. Not my fault.
What a beautiful night.
Good night, everyone.
Every dream begins with a peaceful heart.
I'm going to the Agrovet shop to buy tomato seeds. Good morning, sir. Do you have tomato seeds today?
Yes, yes, fresh and ready for planting.
Thank you, sir. I'll plant these today. Good luck, my friend. May your garden grow. These tomatoes are gonna grow big and juicy. Now we wait and see them grow.
I'll make the soil soft and ready before I plant the seeds.
There we go. 1 seed, 2 seeds, 3 seeds. These will grow into big, taste tomatoes.
my little tomatoes. Now you're growing so well. Keep going, my little tomatoes. They're growing fruits now. Just a little more time.
Zimeva Cabeza, my tomatoes are ready for harvest. This is the happiest day. My hard work has paid off.
Perfect. Just look at this color. This is the best harvest ever. We did it. Let's take them home and celebrate.
My first big harvest. Wait till everyone at home sees these.
Welcome back, Monkey. Look at all those tomatoes.
The harvest was a big success.
Good morning, my friends. Today's tomatoes are fresh, juicy, and full of flavor. Straight from my farm, grown with love. All tomatoes sold. What a great day. What a beautiful... This success belongs to all of us. Teamwork, patience, and love. That's what made it happen.
All that hard work.